YouTubers, and welcome to another episode. We've made it to episode 11, and today, as you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be doing another 5,000 meter rowing test on the rowing machine. So, I've already done one this season. I've already got my benchmark. That was in episode 6 of season 7. If you want to head back and see how I did there, I actually ended up with a 16 minutes and 11 seconds, which is actually quite far off my PB, a score that I've not done since 2016, so it's been a long time. Today, we're going to try and beat that 16 minutes and 11 seconds. So since that episode, since that 5K, about a month and a half ago, roughly, I've been doing a lot more work on 5Ks, including a lot more lengthy workouts at pace. So I'm a lot more used to it. Previous to that 5K benchmark, there was a lot of half an hour low rate work, and I've been steadily creeping up the rates, steadily creeping into the 5K prep workouts in order to prepare myself for this 5K test today. So we're going to hop onto the rowing machine right now, warm up, and then see how we get on. The target is to go faster than last time. How much faster? Well, you're going to have to find out at the end of the episode, at the end of the 5K. So let's get to it. Yes, go on, yeah! Now, time to warm up. Okay, warm up complete, nice and sweaty, nice and warm. Now, about 5 to 10 minutes before we start the 5K, it's all about just bringing it back in and then focusing on what the target we have. And like I said, 16:11 was the previous 5K. The target for this one is just up. So let's get to it. And that is a 5k complete. Honestly, disappointed with that result. It is faster than the previous piece, the previous 5k, by 6 or so seconds. But I was really anticipating a bit faster than that. I went faster through the first 3k than the last one, and then faster obviously through the whole thing, but it really highlights my weaknesses, or one of the big weaknesses I have, which is that 90 plus, 85 plus percent and holding it there. So definitely a lot better than the previous 5k, but again, just need to keep working on that. The power's there, obviously that last bit could shift it down, but to me it feels like the zone, or whatever you want to call it, that area between that first couple of k and then really shifting down there, if I sit in there, I blow really quickly, which to me is just a case of getting used to that area, getting fitter. But again, I was sitting in a higher heart rate zone, so that was 198, that's the highest I've seen this season, and average roughly 185, which was actually really high, higher than the previous 5k. So maybe a potentially just a pacing sort of issue going on there, but a good training piece overall, and definitely something I've learned from and I will learn from. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yam Squad, as always, coming with me on the journey through different 5Ks, different trainings, wherever it is, through the ups and downs. And as always, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next episode.